guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. If this is the first time on my channel, you're highly welcome. So welcome back to another business video. Okay, so let's just dive right into this video, and thank you all so much. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, consider subscribing if you enjoy business videos and business vlogs. Okay, consider subscribing, share the video if it's helpful to you, comment as I said already. Okay, like it, and don't forget to subscribe. It's very important. Give it a thumbs up as well for more videos, and let's just dive into today's topic. Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the pros and cons of sole trader. Okay, not self-employed. I was going to say self-employed, but sole trader is very much like self-employed anyway. It's self-employed, but the difference is you have to register with a HMRC for self-employed. Okay, so sole trader is the same as self-employed, similar, like the same practically. I'm just beating around the bush. Okay guys, so today's video, as I say, is going to be the pros and cons of being a sole trader. So the disadvantage and advantage. Okay, so I got my notes which I wrote. I normally use my phone to write notes. Sometimes I use my notebook to write notes down. Okay guys, yeah, so before we dive into this topic, please give the video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend the video. You guys know it's a new channel. You can see we don't have a lot of subscribers yet, so a thumbs up will be very, very helpful. Okay, being a sole trader has both disadvantage and advantage. Okay, has advantage, it has disadvantage. So it's the pros and cons, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the advantage first. Okay, so I got a few points for the advantage, and I also got a few points for disadvantage, and I also have some few other considerations. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to start with the advantage first. So the advantage of sole trader is easy to set up. There are no minimal legal formalities and no fees to pay to company's house. Okay, company house is where you register your business. If in case you want to secure your business name, company house is where you register it, but you have to pay. I think it's £14 now. The last time I was paying it was £13. I think it's £14 now. Yeah, you have to pay that £14 every year, and you have to do this, what do you call it again, your business like update your information, make sure all the information is correct. Your secretaries are still there, your directors are still there, your shares, everything is still kind of the same. You know, everything is still the same, nothing has changed. So every year you have to do that. You have to pay £14 every year to do that. Okay, that's for limited companies. Anyway, we'll do another video about that one. Okay, so with sole trader you don't have to do any of those. You can just use your name. Like my name is Sophia, I just use my name Sophia. You can use all your names, Sophia, and your son name. I mean your name and your son name, of course. You can't use my name for your business, you know. Yeah, so you can use your name, you can use your children's name, you can use a pet's name, you know, something unique to you. Okay, so you don't need to pay any fees. There's no minimal legal formalities. Okay, that's point one. And then two is full control. So sole traders make all the decisions and keeps all the profit. Okay, so that's the second point, full control. You have full control of your business. As a sole trader, you make all the decisions and you get to keep all the profit. Every decision, whether good or bad, you are the one that is going to make it. If your business goes more forward, like move more advanced, it's your decision. If your business decided to stay in one place, it's your business, it's your decision. What I mean by that is, if you choose to expand your business, it's your decision. If you choose not to expand your business, it's your decision. Okay, so yeah, so as a sole trader, you are the only one making all the decisions. There's nobody making any decision for you. You have all the decision to make to yourself. Of course, if you have a husband or you have relative, you can always ask them their opinion, but any decision, even with their opinion, is still you that is still going to make the final decision. Okay, and of course you are the one that get to keep the profit. So if the business make profit, you are the one keeping it. If the business made a loss, you are the one that lose. Okay, so yeah, that's point number 2. So point number 3 is privacy. Accounting and personal details are kept private. Okay, so your accounting and personal details, all those things are kept private. They are not published in the internet. Like if you are a limited company, if you are a partnership, most of those tend to be published in company's house. Okay, but if you are a sole trader, all those things are kept private because they are personal details and they are kept private. Okay, and then point number 4 is cost effective. Okay, it's cost effective. Setting up and maintaining a sole trader business is generally cheaper than forming a limited company. Okay guys, so setting up is cost effective, maintaining it is also cost effective. Okay, and yes, it's more cheaper. It's much cheaper in the sense that you can run your business anywhere, in your house, in your kitchen, in your living room, in your guest room, in your anywhere in your house. You don't have to go and get a bigger. Of course, I think you can also run a limited company from home, but it's a bit somehow. Anyway, you can still run a limited company from home actually, but I think sole trader is more straightforward because you can use any part of your house, you know, to run your business. It's easy to set up, just like me. It's more cost effective. You don't have to do too many things. You don't have to do a lot of things. It's just yourself, you yourself and I, you yourself and yourself. that's just about it. Okay, yeah, it's straightforward, but you have to remember that you're the one that are going to finance all the financial. Of course, if you have an assistant, maybe your husband or your parents are assisting you financially, then it's fine as well, but you're the one doing everything by yourself. Okay, and then the last but not the least, which I kind of like, is the work-life balance. I like that work-life balance a lot. So as a sole trader, you may have more flexibility with time. Like, let's say for instance, today, let's say you don't want to pack orders today. You don't have to pack orders today. Let's say tomorrow come and I say, okay, tomorrow I want to pack all the orders, and you pack all your orders tomorrow. And maybe in the process of packing orders, you said, I'm too tired, I'm not going to the post office today. You don't have to go. You see? You can go Tuesday or the next day. So yeah guys, so that's the work-life balance and flexibility. So you do things in your own time, in your own terms, in the time you want to do it, but of course you have to do it in a way that customers can receive their product on time. You understand? Okay, so yeah, so the work-life balance is very good as well. So those are the advantages, some of the advantage I'm sharing. So the disadvantages are unlimited liability. So traders are unlike unlimited liabilities. So traders are personally liable for all business debts and legal obligations. Okay, so anything, debt, money loan, whatever, money holding, money, credit card, whatever, it's you that's going to face everything. Just like as I said earlier, if you want to expand your business, it's up to you. If you don't want to expand it, it's up to you. If you owe debt, you borrow money, you are the one that's going to pay by yourself. Okay, second point is limited access to capital. It can be challenging to access significant capital or business loan. Absolutely. Okay, because sometimes if you want to borrow money, because it's a sole trader, the bank or the lender's company might not borrow you money for your business because it's just you doing the business. Okay, another thing is tax may not be efficient. So traders have less flexibility within the tax system. Okay, so that's another disadvantage. And then another disadvantage is heavy workload. So traders may have less free time and manage all aspects of the business. Yes, but you can also, you might have less time, but you can also manage your time. Like what I said, the advantage of work-life balance. okay, as advantage and disadvantage. So it depends on how you program yourself. Of course, you might choose to be packing orders every day. That is you stressing yourself, okay, because you are the only one doing everything. Don't forget that. But you can choose not to do that, okay? You can choose not to do that and do it in your own time, but make sure customers receive their orders on time, okay? Another thing is that no pay leave. Yes, that one is very true. Absent due to holidays, illnesses, or other reasons directly impact your income. So you can't always take holidays. To go on holiday can be very difficult. That's a big disadvantage. Like me now, I can't go places much. If I travel, I can only go like maximum 2 weeks. I need to be back because of people. Okay guys, sorry about that. My camera battery went off. So I was talking of the disadvantage. So let's be quick before the camera battery dies again. So I was on the 2 last points, okay? No paid leave, absent due to holidays, illness, or other reasons directly impact your income as a sole trader, okay? So if you travel for too long, it's going to impact your income. If you are sick, it's going to impact your income. If you take holiday, unnecessary holiday, it's going to impact your income as a sole trader, okay? So that's another disadvantage of being a sole trader. Okay, the last one but not the least, there are others, is heavy workload, which I was talking about I think before my camera battery went dead. Okay, so as a sole trader, you may have less free time and manage, because you manage all aspects of the business, okay? So that's the last disadvantage. But you can also take time, like I said, in the advantage work-life balance, okay? So you are the one running the business, so you need to make the necessary time so you don't overwork yourself, okay? And then other consideration, as a sole trader, you must register with HM Revenue at custom for self-assessment when you start making, like my first video, when you start making 1,000 plus, I think it's 1,700 a year. Self-assessment, you can register for self-assessment. Self-assessment is once in a year. So let's say you start your business in January. To my understanding, please do check the HMROC website, okay? To my understanding, let's say you start business in January of 2025. So next year, January, will make your business 1 year. So which means you have to file self-assessment. Let's say you start in July or August 2025. It's not up to a year. So that one, because it's not up to a year, I'm not 100% sure that you need to file your self-assessment. Not 100% sure you need to register for self-assessment just yet, okay? Because it's not up to 1 year. So I'm not 100% sure. So you can find out, or I'll find out in another video. Maybe I'll put it in the description section, okay? But so far, I know that you have to be 1 year before you can register for self-assessment. When you are earning 1,700 plus in a year, you file for self-assessment, okay? And if you are selling like in a platform like TikTok, eBay, Etsy, all those things, you have to give them your national insurance number so they can give it to Inland HM Revenue, because they are required to do that, okay? So yeah, so those are the other consideration. So traders are required to file a tax return every year, okay? So it's part of it. So traders pay income tax on their business profit. So you're going to pay income tax on your business profit. It's still the same. If you are working, you are still going to pay tax and national insurance number. As a sole trader, national insurance number is something that you don't pay right away unless you voluntarily pay it, okay guys? So in the next part, I will tell you guys more about self-assessment and other things, okay guys? Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye for now.